I understand English but can't speak. A powerful story. Hello, everyone. Today I will share a short and powerful story. This story is about a boy who could understand English, but he could not speak. Maybe this story is about you. There was a boy named Ali. Ali lived in a small city. He loved watching English movies and videos. He understood almost everything. When people spoke English, Ali felt happy and said, "Yes, I understand this." But one day, something changed. In his college, a teacher asked, "Ali, can you answer this question in English?" Ali stood up. His heart was beating fast. His mind had the answer, but his mouth was silent. He knew everything, but he could not speak. The classroom became quiet. Some students started laughing. Ali slowly sat down. He felt embarrassed and sad. That night, Ali could not sleep. He asked himself, "Why can I understand English but not speak?" Then he realized something important. I only listen. I never speak. That moment changed everything. The next day, Ali made a decision. I will practice speaking every day. At the beginning, it was very difficult. He stood in front of a mirror and said, "Hello, my name is Ali." He felt shy, even though he was alone. But he did not stop. Every day he practiced a little more. While walking, he said, "I am going to college." While eating, he said, "I am eating food." Slowly, day by day, his confidence started growing. After a few weeks, Ali started speaking with a friend. He made many mistakes, but his friend did not laugh. Instead, he helped him. Ali also started recording his voice. He listened carefully and improved every day. Then one day, the same teacher asked again, "Ali, can you answer in English?" Ali stood up. He was still nervous, but this time he spoke. "Sir, I will try." His English was not perfect, but he spoke clearly. The class became quiet again, but this time no one laughed. After the class, the teacher said, "Very good, Ali. Keep practicing." Ali smiled. He finally understood the truth. Speaking is not about being perfect. Speaking is about practice. So guys, what did we learn? If you understand English, you are already halfway there. Now you just need to speak. Even if it is slow, even if it is wrong, start today. Because one day you will speak confidently. If you like this story, like the video, comment your thoughts, subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next video.